Hi, it's Bailey from Marquis Leisure and I'm back with my best buy for July. Today I'm presenting you with the Diamond Bright Ceramic Nano Leisure Vehicle Protection, the perfect way to keep your motorhome, camper van or caravan looking its very best. Diamond Bright Ceramic is designed to help protect, maintain your leisure vehicle both inside and out. Whether you have a full leather or fabric interior, it helps keep your leisure vehicle looking newer for longer while reducing the time and effort needed to keep it clean and helping to protect its resale value. Your leisure vehicle's interior deserves the same level of care as the exterior. Diamond Bright's fabric and leather protection creates an invisible protective barrier on the seats, carpets and upholstery, helping to guard against spills, stains and everyday wear and tear. For added reassurance, every Diamond Bright treatment is backed by a lifetime guarantee. If you're interested in the application of Diamond Bright Ceramic Nano, you can find out more by inquiring online or by visiting your local Marquis branch. That's Bailey's Best Buy for July. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our next video.